Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our New York full arch door today. Alright guys, we're on the New York double arch door. It's a very classic iron door design, the New York that we call. This has a lot going for it. It's got a lot of straight bars. It's got some scroll work. It's got some knuckles. So those are all different elements that an iron door consists of and creates this. And also it's got a kick plate on the bottom. This door is oil rub bronze. That's the color of it. This is a 72 by 96. Which measures from outside to outside, 72 inches, 96 inches from the bottom of the threshold, all the way to the top peak of the frame. That's the height. These are all solid pickets that we use. They've been heated up and banged and made all by hand. Okay, none of this stuff is laser cut, or there's no easy way to make this. This is all handmade. Heat it up, bang it up, twist it, do all that stuff and create this. So the key point is it's not a sheet of flat piece of metal and then laser cut through and stick it on, okay? So it doesn't have, when you do that, it doesn't have little elements of a blacksmith actually working on it. It's just perfect, which isn't nice sometimes. So this is a right hand in swing. This door opens first, it goes in, okay? That's a right hand in swing. If that door opened first, it'll be a left hand in swing. This is being featured with Aquatex glass. We have this door in different kinds of glass also that we try to stock. And also we do have this door in a single, flat top, all the different variances also. But pretty simple door. I think it just speaks for itself, and I'm gonna flip this around and show you guys what the other side looks like. Thank you. All right guys, we're on the back side of the New York. It's a little dirty, sorry. I'm gonna flip this, untwist the knob, flip it over, glass opens up. This makes it easy to clean the glass, clean the scroll work. On our custom orders or special orders, you are allowed to add a screen for an additional charge. All of our doors have a dual seal on the, well, actually most of our doors have a seal on the frame, on the door and on the glass frame. They're all dual glazed tempered pieces of glass, 1/4 inch thick glass. I know a lot of people think, oh, it's glass, it's easy to break in, but it's 2 pieces of 1/4 inch glass. Yes, you can break it as glass at the end of the day, but it's super tough to break 1/4 inch glass. Also, nobody ever breaks them from the front of the house. And if anybody ever sees an iron door and they're that stupid to get inside the house, then I don't know what to say about that. But anyways, this piece on the bottom, we slope it down. So just in case you have sideways rain and you don't have good enough coverage and you get some water there, so it actually slopes down and doesn't trap. Standard bore holes on all of our doors. I'll show you guys right now. Well, here, I don't want to take up too much time. 5.5 center to center, 2 3/4 back set, 2 inch thick door. Okay, that's pretty much all you guys need to know for when you order a lock. Roller catches on almost most of our doors. This allows you, these little things, this allows you to add a iron metal handle if needed, and you can put a deadbolt on top, and we can send you the backing plates for these also. Pretty simple. The design is also duplicated on the interior side and exterior side. Greasable hinges, these little nipples on top is for a grease gun, so you can grease it up. If you don't like it, you can remove them, or you can paint them with a little magic marker if you like. But that's it. Hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys on the next door. Thank you. Hello everyone. Thank you for watching our New York double full arch door today. If you guys have any questions, email us, info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's PINKYS, irondoors.com. You can call us 844-843-6677, or leave some comments below and we'll try to get them answered as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.